For airport, we are all aware. Maybe we are on the same page, all the state citizens. So we from the transport department, my officer is on the job day and night, and we have a deputy commissioner from Report who is on the job day and night to by any means because tender for that expansion has been called already. So make sure from the state government side we try to assure will be try to speed as possible as we can for the LA so that it won't disturb the development for the expansion of airport. And then tender soon seem already open, yet to allow only. Because not done by the state from the NHA from the airport authority. Last days already and even participant also is already there. And even it seems the price bid also is I'm not very sure it's already open, it seems only yet to allow only to start the work. Maybe by now they already allowed, but not under our jurisdiction, so I'm not confirm on that.